Leo. Leo, let's see what's your card for this weekly horoscope reading. And Leo, we have for you the Empress card. So remember, this is just a general reading. For personalized readings, always you can drop me a DM or connect with me on this WhatsApp number to get your readings. With the Empress, the situation and the three things that will happen for you in this week, Leo, आपको होगा किसी से प्यार, और probably एक इंसान है जो आपसे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टेड है. द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट हैपेंस इज यू विल बी प्रपोज्ड, यू विल बी टोल्ड हाउ मच दे मिस यू. एंड विद द वैलेंटाइंस वीक वेरी मच स्टिल इन द एयर, आपको पता चलेगा कि एक इंसान है जो आपके भी दिल के करीब है, वो आपसे कितना ज़्यादा प्यार करता है. हाउ अट्रैक्टेड आर दे टू यू, हाउ मच दे थिंक ऑफ यू एंड हाउ मच दे मिस यू. इस तरह की फीलिंग्स आपके साथ, आपके सामने शेयर की जाएंगी. Because you're going to be that hell one attractive person in this entire week, Leo. दूसरी चीज, you will be purchasing something for yourself, doing some kind of expenditure for yourself concerning luxury, concerning beauty, concerning something to do with travel, or maybe just pampering yourself. कुछ ना कुछ आप ऐसा करेंगे इस हफ्ते which you will be feeling so good about spending on yourself, doing some expenditure for yourself. And तीसरी चीज इस हफ्ते जो होगी, you will grow a even more closer bond with some woman. This could be your mom, sister, daughter, your friend or somebody, but some woman who will also be the lady luck in your life in this week. It's all in all a very beautiful energy for you, Leo, with the Empress card as a situation. Now the guidance that comes across to you in this situation, Leo, with the Osho Zen cards, and the guidance is guilt. Okay, so guilt का मतलब यहाँ पर ये है, Leo, you have been catching on to certain things of the past. किसी ने आपके साथ गलत करा है, किसी ने आपको कुछ गलत बोला है. Maybe you have done certain wrong things. We all sin, we all do something or the other wrong, लेकिन you are suddenly feeling very guilty, और आपको लग रहा है those past ghosts are actually haunting you. The suggestion here is let go of what is not right. Maybe someone wants to come and reconcile with you. With these two cards as a combination, reconciliation is very much on the cards. Possibly someone wants to come and tell you that okay, they did you wrong, maybe you did them wrong, मिट्टी पाओ आगे चलो. तो वो मिट्टी डालना आपका काम होगा. गिल्ट में या चीज़ों को पकड़ के not letting go what is not serving you right, उससे आपका कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. You will be even more guilt struck later on. So let go of what is not serving you right, let go of all sorts of guilt, and stop thinking about what happened in the past, because the future, definitely the present and the future, looks extremely beautiful and bright. The remedy for you would be simple breathing techniques and pranayam, yoga to be done in this entire week, Leo.